Good morning, everyone. Yesterday we have discussed about equations of motion, and I hope you all have practiced it. Now we will do some of the numericals based on equations of motion. For doing these kind of numericals, we have to keep in mind some important points. And that points are, first, if a body starts from rest, its initial velocity u will be 0. अगर कोई बॉडी रेस्ट से स्टार्ट कर रही है तो उसकी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी u 0 होगी. अगर कोई बॉडी रेस्ट पर आ रही है चलते चलते तो उसकी फाइनल वेलोसिटी v0 होगी. एंड इफ अ बॉडी इज मूविंग विद यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी then its acceleration will be 0. Because we know that change in velocity is known as acceleration, and since here acceleration is uniform, here velocity is uniform, means velocity is not changing, that's why the acceleration will be 0. I'm going to repeat it again. If a body starts from rest, the initial velocity u will be 0. If a body comes to rest, its final velocity v will be 0. And if a body moves with uniform velocity, acceleration will be 0. Now, this we have discussed earlier also. There are three equations of motion. V is equals to u plus at, s is equals to ut plus half at square, and v square minus u square is equals to 2as. Where u is initial velocity, v is final velocity, t is time, and s is displacement. Sometimes we will use s as distance also, because in the case of these graph or numericals, distance and displacement will be taken as same. Otherwise, in this equation, s is displacement. Now let's solve numericals. The best way to solve numerical is, first of all, write down the given matter. The first one is, a scooter acquired a velocity of 36 km per hour in 10 seconds just after the start. Calculate the acceleration of the scooter. एक स्कूटर ने 36 km per hour की velocity acquire करी 10 seconds के बाद after the start. तो हमें उसका acceleration find out करना है. Now let's write down the given matter first. क्या गिवन है इसमें? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे आर सेइंग आफ्टर द स्टार्ट, मतलब रुक कर चली है. और मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया, इफ अ बॉडी स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम रेस्ट, इट्स इनिशियल वेलोसिटी विल बी 0. इनिशियल वेलोसिटी इज डिनोटेड बाय u, दैट्स व्हाई u विल बी 0. नाउ आफ्टर दैट इट हैज एक्वायर्ड, उसने गेन किया, एक्वायर किया अ वेलोसिटी ऑफ 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर. दैट मीन्स दिस वेलोसिटी इज फाइनल वेलोसिटी v, which is 36 km per hour. And the time is also given, t is equals to 10 seconds. Now we have to find out the acceleration. Now first of all, think which equation we should use, first, second or third. The answer is first, because in first equation v is equals to u plus at is there, and we have the value of v, we have the value of u, and we have the value of t. हमारे पास तीनों की वैल्यू हैं, so we can find out the value of acceleration from first equation of motion. But hold, here the velocity is given in kilometer per hour and the time is given in seconds. So first of all, we have to convert velocity, which is kilometer per hour, into meter per second. How can we convert it? V is equals to 36 kilometer per hour. Now we know that 1 kilometer has 1000 meters and 1 hour has 3600 seconds. When we will cut it down, it will comes out to be 5 upon 18. And when we will solve it, it will be 10 meter per second. Now we will put the value of velocity 10 meter per second, not 36 kilometer per hour. Time is already given, which is 10 seconds. Now all the values are in same units. Velocity is in 10 meter per second and time is in second. And one more thing to remember, that from next time, whenever we want to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, we will directly multiply it by 5 upon 18. हम नेक्स्ट टाइम से डायरेक्टली 5/18 से इसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, और ऐसा क्यों करेंगे, दिस यू हैव सीन हियर, because 1000/3600 will comes out to be 5/18 and which remains fixed. So whenever we want to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, we will multiply it by 5/18, and when we want to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, we will multiply it by 18/5, just opposite of it. Now from first equation of motion, we have the first equation. What is it? V is equals to u plus at. The value of v is 10. The value of u is 0 because the body starts from rest. A, we have to find out the acceleration. Time is 10. So this will be 10 is equals to 10a, and we know that whatever in multiplication will go in divide. जो भी चीज मल्टीप्लाई में होती है वो डिवाइड में चली जाती है. So a will be equals to 10/10, and this will comes out to be 1 meter per second square, the value of acceleration. Moving towards the next one, a moving train is brought to rest. एक चलती हुई ट्रेन को रेस्ट पर ला दिया गया within 20 seconds by applying brakes. 20 seconds में brakes अप्लाई करके. Find the u, that means initial velocity if the retardation due to brakes is 2 meter per second square. Now we know that retardation is nothing but the negative acceleration. Retardation क्या होता है? Negative acceleration. So when you will take it in solving the numerical, you will put negative sign before it. First of all, we will write the given values. Here, the initial velocity we have to find. The final velocity is 0 because the train is brought to rest. Train को rest पर लाया जा रहा है. Acceleration is -2 because this is not acceleration, this is retardation. The acceleration which is acting in the opposite direction to reduce the velocity of the train. T is given, which is 20 seconds. Again, applying the first equation of motion, v is equals to u plus at. V is 0, u we have to find, acceleration is -2, time is 20. Putting the values, we will obtain 0 is equals to u minus 40. When 40 will go on the other side, it will changes into plus 40, and we can easily find out the value of initial velocity 40 meter per second. If you will practice these kind of numericals number of times, you will create a good command on these numericals. Revise the equations of motion again. Thank you.